We're gonna go to a tunnel that's a little far from here. So yeah, gotta keep running. Gotta run a little bit. Hey, this is the life of an adventure guy. And here's the road. No idea where it leads. Tired man. It's quite far. Come on, music go ida. Baca na dong. Baca tinggal na. 13 years na. Wow, crazy as well. Akhirnya station na bar scrolling pani jaga bola jo. You can finally see the tunnel. Still quite far. We'll go and check out and then head back. We finally reached the tunnel. This is tunnel number 4, length 943.80 meters, portal 2. And they have the spear and the horn of the Mithun, the shell of the Naga traditional. Crazy man. And you can hear the echoes. Crazy man. First tunnel in Nagaland area. This is the tunnel inside. This is the inside of the tunnel. You can't see nothing. It's very dark. This is where the train will be traveling to Zubda. Look at it, man. It's too long. Wow, what a beautiful sight for us for the first time. And the echoes you can hear. It's quite scary also. Yeah, such a crazy experience for me. This is the bridge. Let's go check it out. And yeah, it's quite far. Okay, bridge number 87, River Pakla, span 3 into 61 meters. Yeah. Wow, it's a big bridge. Scary, yeah.
Bridge.
Zara. Crazy as well. Downwards as well, you know. My friends climbing the bridge, man. It's quite crazy, man. This kid wanna show me something. Wow, it's very dangerous, you know. Crazy bridge, yeah. Very scary bridge. And my friends, they're still outside. They didn't come. Whoa. We're walking the bridge of Pakla Nadi. Very scary, yeah. It's quite scary. One mistake and you're dead. You'll be dead. One of the scariest bridge I'm walking. I feel like you're gonna fall. That's my friend. Take him up. Crazy, man. We've reached the tunnel number 3, 218 meters, but we will not be going any further. And yeah, wow, this bridge is so scary, yeah. Very scary. We've come out of the tunnel number 3 and we'll be going to the tunnel number 2. I think that will be our last tunnel to explore today. It's very long, yeah. It takes a long time to cross the tunnel. But yeah, what a crazy experience with my friends. So yeah, stay tuned. I can see some light inside the tunnel. So yeah, we'll have to check that out and then head back because we have to go back to Kohima. Woo! Crazy. There's two tunnel. This tunnel is still under construction. Damn, bro. Wonder how they are making. Tunnel number 2. Length is 3,496 meters. That's like 3.5 kilometers. Oh damn, bro. This tunnel is very long. It will take a long time to reach the other end. So yeah, most probably we will be heading back from here But you have already installed the lights inside also. Crazy, is not? Not the Kuni. Utu no eh. It's too far. The end of the other side of the tunnel. So yeah, we'll be heading back, and yeah, we'll end the vlog here. Thanks for watching.